Good morning everyone, Bridget here and welcome to my channel. Today it's going to be a very easy chicken Vindaloo. My way of making chicken Vindaloo is very simple. My mother used to make it like this, and of course there are many ways of making Vindaloo because each region and each community and each family has their own way of making a Vindaloo. So this is my way. If you like, you could follow it, and you'll find that it's very easy to make, and I'm sure you'll all enjoy it. So let me start by telling you all the ingredients. So first of all, you would need 2 onions that are chopped, or you could slice them if you like, but I normally chop because the gravy becomes thicker. Then 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. You could use the mild version, or even just mix some pungent chili powder with Kashmiri chili powder just to give you a good color. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and I powdered 1/2 teaspoon of black mustard. Then I always add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to bring it all together. Salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1/2 kilo of chicken curry cut. So these are the ingredients. So now we'll start the actual process of cooking. So first of all, we are going to marinate the chicken with all the ingredients except for the chopped onions. So just watch while I'm going to mix it all in. So first goes in your ginger garlic paste, then your chili powder, then your cumin powder, your mustard powder. If you don't have mustard powder, you could always use mustard paste or just omit it. There's no problem. Main ingredients are the ginger garlic paste, chili powder, and your cumin. So salt and your sugar. So mix this all well together. Okay, so we've mixed it all with the required powders. I didn't add vinegar. We're going to add the vinegar later while cooking. So now this is mixed and kept ready. We will start the actual cooking of the chicken Vindaloo. Keep watching. So I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan. I'm going to heat up the oil. So the oil is heating up. I'm going to add in our chopped onions. Now we need to fry this a little. It need not be very brown, just enough for the onions to soften, and then we'll add in our marinated chicken. So you can see that onions are turning light brown. I'll lower the heat a little, and I'm going to add in our marinated chicken. give it a stir. So let this fry for a little while. You can see that the onions have taken on some of the masala. So just let this fry for a little while till the pieces become a little firm. Okay, so now that you can see it's becoming a little firm, what we'll do is we'll have to add the vinegar, but I'll just pour it into this bowl and clean the remaining residue of the marination and then pour it. You can add more vinegar if you like, but I just add 2 tablespoons. If you feel you want it to be a little more sour. So you know that vinegar is a preserving agent, and that's why people use vinegar in pickles and in vindaloos. So now I'm going to cover and cook on low heat till the chicken is done. I'm adding just a little bit of water to give us a little gravy. And you'll notice soon that the chicken also gives out a lot of water. So we just let this cook on low heat for some time. You can see the chicken is giving out some water, but if you want a thinner gravy, you can always add some more water while cooking. As you can see, the chicken is giving out quite a bit of water, so there's a lot of gravy. And by the way, if you want to add water, you could add, or if you'd like to add chicken stock to make the gravy more, what should I say, more robust, you could add chicken stock. So just a little while more and our chicken vindaloo will be ready. And now our chicken is cooked and our vindaloo is ready. So now our chicken vindaloo is ready. We can turn off the heat and let it rest for some time before you serve it to draw in all the flavors and the vindaloo settles down. So we just cover it and keep it for some time. And so our delicious chicken vindaloo is ready. And so our delicious chicken vindaloo is ready. It goes well with rice or with hoppers or with chapatis or bread. It's just an ideal combination with anything. And if you like this video, do like and share it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.